Hello everyone. This video is the third part of Express Generator series, and I promise this video will be exciting because for first time we will write commands for Windows. So let's start. I open the command prompt and go to Express Generator, cd, backslash to go to the root folder, Express, tab, okay. I am Express Generator. What we did the last time, we created fetch ini and gen.ini settings file. And in order to download data with fetch ini, I have to write not bin fetch.js -- settings. Okay, and enter the name of the settings file, fetch.ini. The fetch runs and downloads the data. Let's see what we have in the fetch.ini, just to remember. Let's go to the Notepad++ file, open recent files, Express Generator fetch.ini. Yeah, we have symbols equal to EURUSD, Great Britain Pound, USD, USD JPY, USD Swiss franc, and period. But every time to write every time this command is tedious. So I promise you this was the last time we do it. Now we write a CMD command that will contain the same text as this one, but will be able to run with the mouse. So how to do that? I create a new file in Notepad++, and we will save it. File, save as Express Generator. I will save it as fetch.cmd. CMD means command. What? Command prompt. Okay, no. Yeah, why? CMD is not command. CMD means command, okay? Usually it must mean command prompt. Okay, anyway, save it. And here I will have the same text as we write here in the command prompt, in the terminal. So we have not.bin.fetch.js settings fetch.ini. Right? Very good. Let's save it. And when I go to the Windows Explorer and go to disk C, Express Generator, now we have this fetch CMD. So when I click it, watch carefully. When I click it, oops, sorry. Yeah, the fetch runs and downloaded the data. Let's demonstrate it again. I will delete all data from here. Okay, and run fetch CMD. It starts, downloads the data, and finishes. And the data are here. Isn't it magic? Okay, so this is our first CMD command. But frankly, this command, it works, but it's not perfect. And my purpose for this video is to teach you some CMD commands. I promise we have only few. And yesterday I spent 30 minutes to write a little tutorial for CMD. That's one. And tutorials only 48 lines of code. But after this 48 lines of code, together with the explanations, it will be experts, right? So let's go. The first one is the comments. The comments in the CMD file start with rem. Rem means a remark. So every line that starts with rem is a comment line. If you go in the terminal and write rem hello, Why it doesn't work? And it doesn't work because now we are here in Windows PowerShell, but we are writing CMD. PowerShell and CMD or command prompt are different things. Windows comes with several shells. At the moment I have two by default. If you click this arrow here, you can open command prompt from this menu. So I open another tab, but this tab is command prompt. This one is PowerShell. This is command prompt. When you write CMD commands, this program, this script is interpreted by CMD interpreter, something like that. Okay, not in PowerShell, in CMD. So here I can write hello world, and it doesn't do anything because this is a remark. Okay, so what you write in the file, in the script, we can write here in the terminal. Some of the commands work in the PowerShell, some are only for the CMD prompt, CMD interpreter, and in this video we will work only with CMD. Later we will write a script for PowerShell because PowerShell is newer and has some good, more interesting options for writing full automated system for trading. So let's continue with the CMD tutorial. The first section is for rem, so already we know what is this remark. The second one is echo. Echo just prints the text what we have, it prints on the terminal. If you have echo Hello Trader, it prints Hello Trader. Excellent. Let's make another, let's make new file and save it as test. Save as, I'll go to Express Generator. I'll test CMD. So here I can experiment with the CMD files. rem, this is a test script. Okay, let's first learn about echo. Echo Hello Trader. Right, I save this, and when I go here, where is my test CMD? When I run it, it will show Hello Trader and will close immediately. Okay, it was fast. So let's go cd Express Generator, and I can run it like that. Actually, can I? Let's start. Test.cmd. Is it going to run? Yeah, it runs. It shows rem, this is a test script, rem echo, Express Generator, echo Hello Trader. What it is doing is to display the text what you wrote here. It actually literally represents, just retype it in the command prompt and execute it. But what I want is just to show the text Hello Trader. So I will use another command, echo off. Echo off prevents of the script to show this the script content and only shows the output of the commands. So I will write echo off. But usually this is the first one in the script. When you write command CMD script, usually this is the first one line we put at the top of the script. And now when I run test CMD, it shows echo off Hello Trader. Yeah, this is much better, but anyway, echo off is shown because echo becomes off after this command. And in order to prevent echo off to be shown, just put here @ symbol, like that. Save the file. Yeah. So this is our true CMD script that actually works. With that one, I think we are half of our tutorial. And but when I run the script from here, it shows hello and closes. In order to make the script remaining on the screen and to show to see what is going on, I can finish it with pause. Pause shows the text, press any key to continue, and the terminal screen remains open. Let's show it here in the terminal. I will write pause and shows press any key to continue. Excellent. So I'll finish our script with pause, like that. So we started echo off. These are our commands. These are the actual, the core, the actual stuff the script is doing, and it finishes with pause. So when I run this script again, test CMD, it shows hello trader, press to continue. And when I start it from here, it shows hello trader and press any key to continue. So I know what is going on. This is very, very good. So let's return again to our fetch CMD file. So what we know, we start with echo off, and we finish with pause. Excellent. And I can write here echo download premium data according to fetch.ini, right? Because this fetch uses fetch.ini, and I can have this as a command here. Actually, it doesn't matter if this is with capital letters or with smaller letters, but I personally prefer my my commands the rem to be with capital. So I think this script is ready. Let's test it. No, it's not that one. It's the other one. It's fetch CMD. The script run and press any key to continue. That is excellent. Okay, we have only one command to warn. No, later we'll warn about start, but let's now warn about timeout. Timeout command is a command that makes a let's call it sleep. So the script sleep for some time, and here is in seconds. Let's go to test CMD. He shows hello trader. I will write timeout, and timeout takes a parameter in seconds. So let's see for 2 seconds, and you write hello again. Okay. Let's run this test CMD. Wait for 2 seconds, press a key to continue. It becomes very fast. Let's make it 5 seconds. And I make another thing, no. This no prevents this text wait for 2 seconds and press key to continue. Let's test this how it works. Timeout. T 5 seconds, okay? Waiting for 3, 2, 1, pressing key to continue, and finished. But if I want to wait 5 seconds without showing this text, it is called in the programming redirection. I have to redirect this to no. Anyway, go to the trash. So it will wait for 5 seconds without showing anything, and after 5 seconds it will continue. So actually this is what I want here, to wait for 5 seconds and then to continue. But do you see here, it shows press a key to continue. So if you press a key, you can terminate the pause, the waiting. And that's why we have no break. No break just says to the command that we will not break it with key press. And this is the correct way to make a pause. It's called sleep. Sleep for 5 seconds. This is good. Let's test it. Hello trader, waiting 5 seconds. Hello again, pressing a key to continue. Perfect. Why I need this thing? I need it if I want to put several commands in one script file. For example, this fetch file can do different things. Actually, for this file is not necessary, but if I want to fetch settings file and then generate, not bin gen, settings gen ini, so it will fetch historical data and then we will run the generator. It will download the data, we save the files and immediately run the generator. But the operational system needs some time to spend between. Okay, when we save a file, the file is not immediately saved. It is cached from the operational system, from the Windows, and it is saved after that. It may take several seconds. That's why it's a good idea to have a pause between the commands. So first we will fetch the premium data and then we will run the generator. Actually, I don't need this. Run the generator. Yeah, this command is messy because it's called fetch, but anyway, for the purpose of this tutorial, just I will run it. No, not that, the other one. Okay. Fetch. It downloads the data. When the data are ready, it will wait 5 seconds, and then we run the generator. Excellent. Actually, that was all we need to write perfect scripts for Express generator. What we did today, we run echo off, so we prevent the text of the script to be shown. With echo, first with rem, we can write comments in our scripts. With echo, we can show text on the terminal. This is the command we execute, and it is absolutely the same as we write here in why I don't have it, probably here. It is the same when what you write in the terminal, we can write here. We have pause for 5 seconds or sleeping for 5 seconds to be sure that the previous command is fully completed. Actually, we can reduce this time to 2 seconds. After that, we run the generator. So that's all for this video. Just before closing it, and because this already a workflow, but it doesn't switch the purpose of fetch. So I will delete this, and we leave only echo of echo download premium data. This one, even I can write this here. Echo down premium data ready, and That will be all. So next time when you want to download data, I'll close the other things. We have to run this script, and even we don't need to change this script because it takes the settings from fetch.js. So the script is done. We can modify fetch.js to set what symbols we want and what periods. And in the next video we will learn more about the data. And next time we need the data, just we have to click on fetch CMD. We also don't need this test. I will close it. So that's, what is this? No, I will remove it. Okay, that's all for this video. If you like it, please put a thumb up to the video, and see you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.